Good morning. Today is another good day to make money. Let's get started. I have 60 odds for you. Correct score, two matches. Bet responsibly. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll add you up. Remember, the VIP is a paid service. It's not free. It's not pay after. All right. Moving on. The first game we have today is a game in the Ukraine division where FC Otava is taking on Dinax Vizgorod, and my prediction here is home team win 2-0 at full time. One good thing you can do with this game is that you can as well convert them to straight win in another ticket that will give you 2.8 odds. That's what a wise person would do. The next one I have here is a game in Turkish division one where Kocaelispor is taking on Buyukshire Baladia. My prediction here is home team win full time 2-1 correct score. That gives us a total of 60 odds. So you bet responsibly. And this is the booking code for those people using Sportsbet. Go ahead and select this game in your own local bookie if you are not using Sportsbet. It's available. You find the first game in Turkey, the next one we have in Ukraine. All right, guys, have a lovely day and always remember to bet responsibly.